Hello dear students, how are you all? We'll continue with the literature work, chapter number 4, My Early Home, and we are doing the back exercise of this chapter. So we'll begin from here, page number 40, open your books, possessive pronouns, alright? Now see, first of all, let's read the definition of possessive pronouns की होते क्या है. Pronouns, you all are aware, the words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. ठीक है. In the previous video हमने discuss करा था, ये सारा था personal pronoun के बारे में. ठीक है. Now we are going to discuss about possessive pronoun. सेम ये भी हमने ऑलरेडी करे हैं फर्स्ट टर्म में, चैप्टर नंबर 8 ऑफ योर लैंग्वेज pronouns. In the details we have discussed over there about the personal pronoun also, and we have also talked about possessive pronouns there. So let's give it a recap here. Read this first sentence. This is Black Beauty's home. This home is his. Black Beauty कौन था? It is the name of the horse ना in the chapter. So here in this chapter, in this sentence, home जो है वो किसका है? Black Beauty का. ठीक है, ऑनरशिप शो हो रही है ना कि ये किसको बिलोंग करता है. सो हिज हियर इज व्हाट, दिस इज द possessive pronoun. Okay, his shows that the home belongs to Black Beauty. It is a possessive pronoun. ठीक है, so possessive pronouns are used to show ownership. ठीक है. Now this is the list of the possessive pronouns which we'll be using in the next exercise. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs and its. ठीक है. अपने लिए जब when we are talking about ourselves, mine and ours यूज होंगे. yours you के लिए, his for boys, hers for girls and theirs for plural. ठीक है. its is used for things and for animals when they are singular. ठीक है. if they are plural then we'll be using theirs only. Alright. See again, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs and its. Now next is given about possessive adjectives. ये भी हमने पढ़ा है बुक में. ठीक है, in the language also and in the previous chapter also. So here what are the possessive adjectives? क्या होते हैं? They tell us to whom something belongs. जैसे अगर मैं कहती हूँ suppose if I say this is my new dress. ठीक है कि ये न्यू ड्रेस मेरी है, माए. तो माए से क्या पता चल रहा है कि किसको बिलोंग करती है वो? मुझे. तो माए क्या हुआ? पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है. दे आर ऑलवेज यूज्ड बिफोर द नाउन्स एंड एक्ट एज एडजेक्टिव्स. ठीक है. नाउन से पहले आते हैं हमेशा जो, वो होते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स. सीधा सेंटेंसेस हियर. दिस इज माई पेंसिल. पेंसिल इज नाउन. ठीक है. और माए, माए यहाँ पे क्या है? पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. ठीक है. दिस पेंसिल इज माइन. ये पेंसिल मेरी है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे माइन क्या है? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. ये माई जो है, दिस इज द पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, और इसका ये पोजेशन जो पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है माई का क्या होता है? माइन. ठीक है. we'll discuss more examples as we'll solve the back exercise about possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. So come to the next page. See the first. Read the sentences with possessive adjectives, then complete the rewritten sentences using possessive pronouns. Now here two columns are given again. Here in the sentences possessive adjectives are used and we have to write their possessive pronouns here in the fill-ups. So see, isn't that your book? तो your का possessive, this your is here possessive adjective. इसका possessive pronoun क्या होगा? Isn't that book? क्या आएगा? yours. ठीक है. हमने पढ़ा था ना यहाँ पे सी your का क्या होता है? yours. So I've written yours here. Then these are my sketch pens. यहाँ पे adjective क्या है हमारा? my. ठीक है. और इसका possessive pronoun क्या बनेगा? These sketch pens are mine. Was it our fault? तो इसका क्या बनेगा? Was the fault ours. ठीक है. आर का possessive pronoun क्या होता है? ours. Aren't those his clothes? his का aren't those clothes his ही होता है. ठीक है. That girl is her good friend. ठीक है. her good friend, this is adjective, good also. We are talking about possessive adjectives here, तो वो her है, ठीक है. That girl is a good friend of hers. her का girls के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे, hers, ठीक है. Now see the second exercise. Read these sentences, write P where the highlighted words are possessive pronouns and A where they are possessive adjectives. अब इसका एक सबसे easy way क्या है adjective को identify करने का. Just check whether they are used before the nouns. If they are used before the nouns, they are possessive adjectives. And if this sort of words are there, yours, mine, us, which are showing the क्या शो करेंगे, belongingness और ownership, ठीक है. तो क्या होंगे, possessive pronouns. Now let's solve this. Grandma is looking for her glasses. अब देखो her, हमें her पता है, her क्या है, possessive adjective. So we'll write A here, ठीक है. अगर ये possessive pronoun होता आपका तो पहली थिंग, फर्स्ट थिंग इज ये हर नहीं होना था, हर्स होना था, राइट, और नाउन से पहले नहीं आना था, ठीक है. नाउ लुक एट द सेकंड सेंटेंस. आर दीज ग्लासेस हर्स, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे हर्स है. नाउ दिस हर्स इज व्हाट, दिस इज pronoun, so we'll write P here, okay. My kite has gone too high. My kite is a noun, noun से पहले है, और my है, mine नहीं है, so this is what, adjective, right. That blue kite is mine. अब यहाँ पे mine है और noun के बाद है, verb के बाद है, तो this is pronoun. This bottle is his. Now here this bottle is his. क्या शो कर रहा है, ownership ना, कि ये उसकी बॉटल है, so this is pronoun, possessive pronoun. Samira read out my poem in her class. So my क्या होगा, ये adjective. अगर ये pronoun होता तो फिर क्या आना था, mine आना था, और moreover it is before the noun, ठीक है. Next I'm going to explain to you the word meanings of this chapter. Just see chapter number 4, my early home. We have discussed these words already, so let's discuss once more. You need to write these words on your notebook also, ठीक है. I'll send all the pictures, all the solutions of back exercise included these word meanings, ठीक है, through the snap work. So first is brook, a small river, छोटी सी नदी. Calls क्या होते हैं, young male horses, ठीक है. Gallop, to run fast, फटाफट भागना. Next is whinny, neigh, sound of the horses. Trot, walk of a horse, घोड़े के चलने की walk को बोलते हैं trot. Lodging, a place to live in, रहने के लिए जगह. And then box, to hit, किसी को hit करना, ठीक है. So revise this all. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.